Social media is absolutely critical because social media enable user-generated content against in different platforms. So when a disabled person goes to Mallorca and goes around and is filming their experience, this then can be shared across different people, and they can understand what is possible, what's not possible, what's easy, what's difficult, and they can share the experience. And what social media is also generating is a lot of rich content in terms of multimedia. So there's a lot of pictures, there's a lot of videos, there's a lot of opinions. To the degree that this information is being managed in an appropriate way and it's tagged in an appropriate way and is easily findable on search engines, this is creating a fantastic opportunity to use technology to engage with consumers.